Welcome back, students. Now last but not the least, we will learn about the else statements. Now we'll understand the concept of else statement with the same code of our previous program. So what we'll do is that, let us run this program again. So what this program does is that, it will print an alphabet according to the number we enter. That means if we enter 1, it will print A. If we enter 2, it will print B. If we enter 3, it will print C. If we enter 4, it will print D. And if we enter 5, it will print E. But have you ever wondered what would happen if we entered 6 or 7 or any other number? Let's try. So suppose we entered 7. Let's see what will happen. Nothing happens. We don't have any output. So what can we do to fix this problem? That is where else statements come in handy. As the name suggests, else. That means if all the other comparisons are false, then only the else statement will be executed. So I'll show you an example. Okay, so we have added our else statement here. To add else statement, we use the else keyword followed by the full colon, then a tab space, and we enter our statement. Now if we enter a value which is not among 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, suppose 7, we'll get an output that please enter a number between 1 and 5, because all our above comparisons are false. So this is going to be our default statement in case all our conditions fail. Using if, elif and else like this is called the if, elif, else ladder. It works like a ladder, so it is called the if, elif, else ladder. Now I'll explain these three of these conditional statements once again. First, the if statement condition will be evaluated. It will check if x is equal to 1. Now if x is equal to 1, it will print the value A and stop the program there. Now if the value of x is not 1, it will check if the value of x is 2. Now if the value of x is 2, then it will print B and stop the program there. If elif is used, if instead of elif we have used if, then the program will keep on checking if x is equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5. But if we use elif, if the condition is true, then the program will stop right there. It will not check the rest of the elif statements. If all of these comparisons are false, that means x is not equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, then our else statement will be executed and it will ask to enter a value that is between 1 and 5. Now the concept may be clear to you, and for some of you it may not be that much clear. But we'll understand all this as we practice more code with it. We'll be doing that in the coming lectures. So you'll understand how conditional statements work by then. Okay, so that is all about this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.